Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So you're wondering how can you archive and unarchive your Instagram posts? Then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it already. So since we're gonna be using the Instagram application, we need to first head out to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on, search for Instagram from there, and let's make sure we have the app updated to the latest version so that you face no problems in this process. After that, you can finally go ahead and open Instagram, and from here we need to first open your profile. So tap on the profile picture in the bottom right corner, and then from here find the post that you want to archive. We're gonna start from here. This is the post I want to archive. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of it, and then from here tap on archive. It's as easy as that. Once you do that, the post will be archived successfully, and to unarchive that post and even any post on your Instagram account, tap on the three lines in the top right corner from your profile and then tap on archive. By default, you'll be taken to the stories archive. If you're looking for the posts archive, tap right in the top, and then in the bottom choose posts archive, this one. And right here you find every single post that you have ever archived on Facebook. Tap on the one you want to unarchive, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of it, and tap on show on profile. And as you can see, once you tap on show on profile, it will say restored. And that is basically how can you unarchive and even archive posts on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions and comments in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace.